In this video, we will look at the real-time quote subscription with TD365. When you are trading with TD365, you are trading CFD-based stocks and CFD-based indices. In this case, every month, when you log into your account and you look for your US stocks, like I press now, you will see here that the stocks has this exclamation mark where it says, please subscribe in order to trade. So what you just do is you click one of these. I can click alphabet, and now it says US shares monthly subscription plan, Danish kroners, 0, 1 month. So the only thing I have to do is press subscribe like this, and it says this month a subscription allows you to access the US shares for this calendar month. Please resubscribe on the first of the month if you wish to access the shares for that month. So that basically means every single month you have to do like this and subscribe, put the mark here and say confirm subscription. There you go. So now your subscription has been processed and approved, and as I said here, you may need to log out of the platform now and log in again to view the subscribed markets. So what I will do is I will log out, and the next time when I log in, the prices will be with the real-time quotes again. So that's basically it.